Hi, I'm Antoine for Fox Barbecue, and today we're gonna do the unboxing of the Inkbird IHT-1P. So you know me, I never cook by time, I always cook by temperature. So this is a really good thermometer where you don't want to leave the probes all the time within your meat, or you want to check different points. Like if you do a chicken, you might leave your probes in the breast, but you want to check the leg. This is the product that will help you measure the temperature of the food in any piece of that food. So let's get it open. Wow. So you can see this is in the box. So if we read the specification, so the digital food thermometer, it's got a measurement accuracy of +1 or +2 degrees Fahrenheit, so +1 Celsius. It's got 2-year warranty. It can measure the food from -50 degrees to 300 degrees Celsius, which is -50 Fahrenheit and 572 Fahrenheit. Measuring rate, so half a second, so very fast. It's an instant thermometer. It is IPX5 waterproof and it's rechargeable. This is a good one. A lot of them have batteries. This one is rechargeable. Guess when we take it out. So this is what we have. Can remove this film. Excellent. Looks very good. It's quite big. When you can see with my hand, that's not a small product. And then here you have the probe. So you rotate it, and as soon as you rotate it, it turns itself on. Okay, so you don't have to turn it on. It's auto off. You can set it. So as soon as we put it back, it switches itself off. We put it back on, it starts measuring. So let's have a look at what we've got in the box. We've got this, and you recharge it with USB-C. So that's good. And then I believe this is where you will recharge it. So it's very good. You can recharge it with your laptop, or you can recharge it with your phone charger. This is super convenient. And this is it. So to operate it is very easy. So you just remove the probe. You can see that there's the light, which is good. At least if you get to cook during the night, you can see the temperature. Then you have the hold Fahrenheit Celsius button. So if you hold it for about 5 seconds, then you can see that it switches to Fahrenheit. So it's very convenient. And then if you want to switch it back, you just press it for 5 seconds. Got this is the auto off and the hold button. So I get to cook a brisket today. So I thought that was a good opportunity to test a new thermometer. So we'll have a look how it works on the meat. So you can see that it goes very quickly. So we are at 79.9. Yep. Instant read. Try it again. Boom. This is very fast. This is very quick reading. So you can see how fast it read the temperature on the brisket. That was really impressive. This you can find it on Amazon, so I bought it. I think it was around £25. And yeah, it is very good. I've got also other Inkbird thermometers. They're really high quality. Customer service has always been very good. And yeah, if you want to pick one up, I will leave a link in the description below. Hope you liked the video. If you like it, leave a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe. And if you have any comments or if you have any question, please write a comment in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.